What's up people, it's karthiksuvarna back here in the new video. Okay guys, so today I'm back with another vlog. Today we'll be going to travel to Hebri Falls. So right now my tongue is twisting because it's been a long time that I have not made a vlog. So yeah, तो Hebri जाते हैं. तो पहली बार जा रहा हूँ Hebri. तो देखते हैं कैसे जाता है करके.
हाँ बका सरी लरा ಬೇಗ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾರೆ
ఆయన ఎక్కడి నుంచి అవ్వయా అది ఇంచ 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 అది
నువ్వు రొట్టె బియ్యరా లడ్డు
పయ్యగా రొట్టె
This is Doraemon. This is Don, Mr. Newton. This is Shrikant and Deadly Ramesh. Ah, ivala. Bala bala. Enna malle janan tutir. Enna viewers. Bye. So exact destination where we are going is Kudlu Falls. So it's somewhere near to Hebri. So let's see how it goes today. Varanga Matha board, sorry. So I've seen many posts on Instagram about this place. So just thought of visiting this. I've never been to this place before. So let's see. We were passing by this route. We just got Varanga Jain temple. बहुत देखा है इसके बारे में, बहुत पोस्ट देखा था मैंने इंस्टाग्राम में. सो सोचा यहाँ पे एक विजिट करते करके. तो देखते हैं अंदर जाके कैसा है करके. And yeah guys, I want to tell you that this is 1200-year-old Neminatha Basadi of Varanga. This is just unbelievable. 1200 years old. So this is absolutely amazing because आप लोग ये पत्थर देख सकते हो, बहुत पुराना है ये. And according to the locals, this is that it was already built on 9th century. But not for sure. Yes. But this place is just amazing. तू मस्त पारा दे हाँ? So ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಉಂಟು ತುಲೆಗೆ ಇಂಚೆನೆ ಉಪ್ಪುಡು ಇನ್ನಾಂಡ ಆರ್ಟಿಫಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಜ್ಜದೆ ಅವು ಲಾಯ್ಗ ದೂರೆ. It seems whole temple is made up of stones. There are several pillars around temple. And this is known as Manasthamba, which is 54 feet long and carved out of a single rock. Amazing. So you can see the scriptures they have made. This is just amazing.